Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can share any file or folder from your Google Drive to someone else using only their email. So we will not be using any links to share the file or folder, and we will be directly giving them the access using their email address. So first you need to do is navigate to your Google Drive either using the desktop application or using any web browser of your choice. So once you are inside your drive, you need to simply navigate to the My Drive button right here. So it will give you some easy access to your files, and then you need to locate the file or folder that you want to share. For example, I want to share this new folder right here. So in order to share it, all I need to do is click on these three vertical dots right here, and then from here I can hover my cursor over to this share icon, and the share button will appear. Or I could have also pressed the Control Alt and A key combinations. Then once you click on the share button right here, a dialog box will appear, and from here you need to type the recipient's email address. So for example, I want to share it to this email address right here, or I could have already typed it, but since I have shared with this recipient several times, so it is appearing right here in the recent section. So once you have typed the email address, you can choose the properties that you want to share with them. So if you want them to be a editor so they can organize, add or delete any files, you can click on the editor. Or if you just want them to view and comment on the contents of this folder, you can click on the commenter button. Or if you just want the recipient to just simply view the files and he should not be able to organize, add or delete any files, you can simply choose the viewer button right here. Then just simply click on this notify people button, as they will get a notification that the access have been provided. And you may also choose to write a message for them. So once you have done this, simply click on this send button right here. Once you click on the send button, the receiver will receive a message that they have been given access to this particular file or folder. So in the recipient side, if we see, I have this email right here, and I will show you how the receiver will get the email. Here you can see that this is the receiver's email inbox. So this type of message the receiver will get, and he can easily access the file and folder that you shared to them. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.